Hello and welcome to another update video about Jasmy. We continue to see further price drops here on this chart. We discussed in the previous video two possible bullish options here for Jasmy. Obviously the idea was here a few videos ago that of this resistance area we're going to come down into the support area, which we are doing. In the previous video, the communication was that there is a chance to turn around in this orange support area, but at the time of the video, there was no indication we had bottomed. We lost support now, which means even though not invalidated, well, this 1-2 setup is not invalidated, but a sustained break below the 78.6 fib level is always a sign that this setup will fail, at least in 9 of 10 cases. Of course, Jasmy could be the one that eventually will hold it, but you know, we're talking about probabilities here. So what I'll do, I'll take this support area off because we dropped below it. I have no confidence we're going to hold support. For everybody who's new to Elliott wave, in such a wave 1-2 setup, which would result in a very bullish third wave rally, we need to hold the beginning of the wave 1. So we talk about 0.00408 roughly, but already below the 78.6 fib level, typically these setups are going to fail. Now, we discussed also an alternative bullish option in the previous video, but I have also limited hope that this is going to hold, because then it is the 0.0038 level that will become relevant here, this one, because in this scenario we would simply reset this wave 2, and I think we go with that because the other scenario is basically, even though not invalidated, it has become much less likely. So the overall count is now A, B, C. We can still go at the moment with a bullish count, but to be honest, I am highly skeptical. I'm highly skeptical, and we need to think about a possible bearish option here. Absolutely, it is not unlikely, and below 0.0038 this is going to fail. I would currently see Jasmy as high risk. So of our resistance area, which I've now taken off the chart, we haven't seen any reaction yet. No bullish reaction. We're coming down. And to be honest, I mean, what we can do, we can calculate a possible target for the C wave now based on this latest updated chart, in that we take the length of the A wave, we go to the high of the B wave, and well, the 1-to-1 ratio takes us to 0.00367, so basically just below 0.00386. So let's just add that on the chart maybe, because the 1-to-1 ratio is a common target for a C wave. Below that level, it's over. So I will allow it to come down to that level. And I will highlight this area between the 78.6 retracement and the 1-to-1 ratio on the chart as support. If it doesn't turn around here, that's it. And we're going to go with new bear market lows. What would be the bearish count, so that you get familiar with it? But I would see this one as high risk, also due to the situation with Binance. I don't know if there's some politics going on or whatever, but bearish count would be this move down as a leading diagonal as a wave 1. This is a 3-wave pullback in a wave 2, and we're now coming down in a third wave. I mean, price action is quite suggestive of a third wave based on this strong move down. But it would be something like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in 3. Well, obviously not going below 0, ideally not. 4, 5, obviously holding somewhere above 0 ideally, even though I have to tell you one thing. If this coin, well, let me zoom out a bit. If this coin is going to make a new low, a new bear market low, that's it. Of course it's going to get delisted. I mean, the lifetime downtrend chart is an absolute dumpster fire. The only opportunity it really had was to hold support here, and that's why, this is the line in the sand. I can tell you that if it's dropping below our support, that's it, and I wouldn't be surprised if it then eventually gets delisted, because it's a dumpster fire chart. It's an all-time lifetime downtrend that so far has failed to prove itself. you know it, you can love the fundamentals of a project, you can love the team, you can love their mission or whatever. You know how it is in crypto, good projects have the most crappy charts. It is what it is. And the charts, unfortunately, do not really have much to do with fundamental side of things, which is why trading fundamentals often doesn't work. So that's my view here about Jasmy. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.